welcome to Shine Design, press on step by step. Shine Go Press On Kit by Shine Design. First, let's start with pushing back your cuticles with the corner of the file. Make sure to use gentle pressure. Use the buffing block to remove all shine. And again, make sure to use gentle pressure. Now choose the perfect tip to fit your nail bed. Make sure both sides are covered. You can also file the tips to customize the perfect fit. These tips are thin and naturally strong. Next, apply a base gel to your natural nail. Use the flash lamp to cure for 30 seconds. For the next step, you're going to need your stick-it glue gel and your pick-it tool. Now apply a small amount of stick-it glue gel to the underneath side of the press-on tip. Cover about 1/4 inch of the cuticle zone of the press-on tip. Now turn the tip around and press firmly, starting from the cuticle area. Hold down using the flash lamp and cure for 1 minute per nail. Make sure that you cure the entire nail for at least 1 minute. After the nail is completely cured, you can use a buffer block to buff off the shine, so polishes can stay better. Use the file to clean up any excess glue gel. You can also trim and reshape the tip if you desire. Shine Go Press On tip is very easy to apply. You can achieve beautifully natural-looking press-on nails. To purchase, please visit www.shinedesign.com.